Hello, mathematicians. I hope that you had a restful weekend. Today, we're going to get right into POST method. The teaching point today is mathematicians find multiple ways to solve problems by working together to discuss, present their solutions, and critique the reasoning of their peers. When we're doing POST method, we want to keep solve in mind at all times. In order to do this, we want to have the goal of studying the problem, organizing the facts. We want to line up a plan, verify our plan with action, and we want to make certain that we are clearly labeling any units if necessary. You want to examine your work by checking it, maybe by using inverse operation or using reasonable thinking. You want to then, and lastly, you want to be sure that you are explaining your thinking using mathematical language. Let's get into the problem. Part A. The students of Ms. Blake's class are recording how many minutes each student read on Tuesday night. 5 students read for half an hour. 7 students read for 1/4 of an hour. 4 students read for 3/4 of an hour. 10 students read for 2/4 of an hour. The students made a line plot to show the class's reading data. Ms. Blake looks at the data and suggests that the students determine the total number of hours the students read on Tuesday night. Make a plot line that could look like the one Ms. Blake's students made. How many total hours did Ms. Blake's students read on Tuesday night? Show all your mathematical thinking. Part B, stepping up the rigor. If all the students read double minutes on Wednesday than on Tuesday, what is the total hours read on Wednesday? So what I want you to do now is I want you to pause this video and I want you to think of past concepts that you already know that will help you solve this problem. Okay, now that you have past concepts that you've studied in the past that will help you with this, I want you to get started. I want you to set your timer and I want you to take 8 minutes to solve this problem independently. Once you've done that, I want you to take 3 minutes to discuss with a partner on Google Classroom. Then I want you to take another 2 minutes to invite a couple of other peers to discuss. Okay? Once you've done that, as a group, agree on an answer. And then I want you to get started with your poster. Okay? Take 8 minutes to do your poster. Be creative. If you have poster paper, use poster paper. If you have markers and crayons, make it beautiful, make it creative. This is your work and post it. I'm actually going to post the best one as an exemplar for next week. Once you're done that, what I would like for you to do is I want you to self-assess your work. Think about something that you did well. Jot that down. Then I want you to think about something that you can continue to work on. We all can use some improvement at all times. So think about what's one thing you could have done better. Lastly, I want you to critique your peers. I want you to use the discussion prompts to really give some feedback. Really think about what did the student do well and what can the student work on, okay? I want you to use the discussion prompts this problem relates to. I want you to make those connections. Something we can do so think about another way that you can possibly solve the problem. If you're agreeing or disagreeing, express that. Use that language so that your peers can actually grow as mathematicians as well. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out. I'm looking forward to seeing your posters. Have fun.